Hello smart people! This fantastic leasehold property has just listed on BVR Property. And now, let's discover together this beautiful property because today, I'll guide you through this lovely investment.
Your journey to this villa is met with utmost convenience. This property is graced with easy road access.
So smart people, this is the main living area where you can find a TV room here and then a fully equipped kitchen there and also a dining area. What I love the most in this beautiful investment is that even though the decoration is like really white, but there's also an accent of blue color and black that makes it so alive and it's still connected.
Spanning across an impressive 345 square meters, this leasehold villa boasts generously sized rooms that are meticulously designed to cater to your every comfort and desire. The villa's interior reflects a harmonious blend of modern elegance and timeless sophistication.
This is the spot that I love the most. There's a sliding doors that we can open whenever we want, that connected also to the small garden, and we can just refresh the circulation of this house by just opening this sliding door. This property offers 4 bathrooms and all with ensuite bathrooms. And this is the spatial bathroom because there's a connecting door that can lead you to... Can you guess what it is? Let's follow me. Another living room.
As you step outside, a lush oasis awaits. Set up on a sprawling 580 square meters of meticulously landscaped land, this villa offers you the perfect canvas to create your own private sanctuary. Whether you envision hosting lavish gatherings or simply basking in serenity of nature, this space is yours to shape and cherish.
And do you know what makes this villa so special? It's all because of the open space, this pool that designed as it is in the beach, and also there is also a barbecue spot where you can enjoy with your friend, your family, your kids, and grill something here. It's so lovely, guys. Smart people, if you feel like this could be your future home or investment, contact BVR Property right now. We'll see you on the next one. Bye bye!